The congregation of the Sisters of the Little Flower of Bethany, Eastern Province, presents Bethany at East.
तू पुकारे मैं आऊं, तू सुनाए मैं सुनूं। तू पुकारे मैं आऊं, तू सुनाए मैं सुनूं। यीशु यीशु
The congregation of the Sisters of the Little Flower of Bethany, popularly known as Bethany Sisters, was founded in Mangalore on 16 July 1921 by servant of God, Reverend Francis Camillus Mascarenhas, to participate in the mission of the Church by responding to the signs of the times.
Our congregation, which was started with 4 sisters, has now grown in number and merit. Today, we are more than 1,500 sisters in 3 continents and 9 countries. We, through our 187 communities, are striving to be the compassionate face of Jesus to all those whom we come in contact with in our day-to-day life. Let's now travel to the eastern states of India, the missionary province of Bethany Sisters, and meet our people among whom we strive to bring the fullness of life for all through our pastoral, educational, and socio-medical ministries.
Bethany Sisters of Eastern Province, living in 6 states of India: Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, and Karnataka, provide a good blend of integration of religious life in the given cultural context.
Pastoral ministry is to be partners in the mission of Jesus, the mission of preaching the gospel to all creation, entrusted directly by the Lord to his disciples, has continued in the church throughout history. Being sent forth into this world for a particular purpose to avidly participate in the church's evangelizing mission.
मैं तेरा भेड़ हूँ, तू मेरा मार्ग है, जिस पर मैं चलूँ, तू मेरा चरवा। मैं तेरा भेड़ हूँ, तू मेरा मार्ग है, जिस पर मैं चलूँ, तू चलाए मैं चलूँ, तू चाहे मैं चाहूँ, तू चलाए मैं चलूँ, तू चाहे।
Bethany Education Society, run by us, the Bethany Sisters, impart value-based education through formal and non-formal schools, vocational training center with the goal, transformative education for fullness of life for all, especially the poor and the girl children. We impart the acquisition of wisdom, discovering deeper meaning in life, establishing harmonious relationship with God, self, others and cosmos.
I am Deep Khushi, a student of Standard 10. I have been studying at Bethany Convent School, Ushamatu since 8 years. As a student of this school, I have experienced the genuine love and care of the Bethany sisters working in the school and the management. The students of all faith are embraced and respected without any distinction. The core values of Bethany Educational Society and the moral values I have learnt in this school are guiding light to me to grow into fullness of life. Lots of opportunities are given to develop my potentials. The management has provided neat and clean environment, good infrastructure, and all the facilities to the students.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी।
I feel happy that along with academics we are taught to save nature, save environment by planting trees and add life to the nature.
Clean India! Green India! Clean India! Green India! स्वच्छता ही सेवा है, स्वच्छता ही सेवा है। Clean India! 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 आसपास करो सुधार, धरती माता करे पुकार, आसपास करो सुधार।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3.
And when do you see the stars and moon? Night. Day? Day. Night. Night. Day? Day. Night. Night.
Brushing food and some vinegar. Here are some topics. We do not disturbed by our study movie. These are inspiration. These is filament. These is
He sent me to bring good news to the poor, to proclaim liberty to the captives, and to declare the year of God's favor. Jesus has called us to go to the world with compassion for social, political, economic, and cultural realities. Bethany has committed to be with those on the fringes of the society, discarded, trafficked, migrants, and powerless. Being challenged, we participate prophetically in this sacred social mission with great diligence and incarnate ourselves with good news of liberation to the whole of human society.
तू मेरा गढ़ है जिसमें पनाह मैं लूं, तू मेरा सृजनहार, मैं तेरी रचना हूँ। तू मेरा गढ़ है जिसमें पनाह मैं लूं, तू मेरा सृजनहार, मैं तेरी रचना हूँ। तू चलाए मैं चलूं, तू चाहे मैं चाहूं, तू चलाए मैं चलूं, तू चाहे मैं चाहूं। यीशु
Healing ministry involves not only physical health but also the wholeness of the entire person. society, and environment. We, in this era of commercialized healthcare system, we touch the ailing humanity with tenderness and compassionate love by promoting low-cost medicine such as herbal and home remedies affordable to the weaker, marginalized sections of the society. We empower people by imparting the necessary health education so that they make their own decision of creating a healthy community. We introduce those incentives which give rise to holistic health such as friendly food, pollution-free environment, use of organic farming and tension-free family atmosphere.
तू मेरा चरवा, मैं तेरा भेड़ हूँ, तू मेरा मार्ग है जिस पर मैं चलूँ, तू मेरा चरवा, मैं तेरा भेड़ हूँ, तू मेरा मार्ग है जिस पर मैं चलूँ, तू चलाए मैं चलूँ, तू चाहे मैं चाहूँ, तू चलाए मैं चलूँ, तू चाहे मैं चाहूँ, यीशु।
Called by God to give ourselves totally for the hostel ministry, as per the desire of our founder, RFC Mascarenas, we give special attention to the poor, especially the girl child. We care for the children with understanding, patience and kindness, creating a conducive atmosphere for the development of their moral and spiritual growth. The formation of our students in our hostels in total excellence is our prime concern. Thus, we provide a home away from home to the children who are entrusted to our care.
आ गया एक बीज बोने वाला, आ गया एक बीज बोने वाला, दूसरा बीज तो पत्थर के ऊपर, दूसरा बीज तो पत्थर के ऊपर, सूरज ने आकर जला दिया, सूरज ने आकर जला दिया, आ गया एक बीज बोने वाला, आ गया एक बीज बोने वाला।
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अभी आप लोग क्या दृश्य देखा?
बीज बोने वाले का दृष्टांत।
तो पहला बीज कहाँ गिरा?
रास्ते के ऊपर।
क्या हुआ?
चिड़ियों ने आकर उड़ा लिया।
और दूसरा बीज कहाँ गिरा?
पत्थर के ऊपर।
और क्या हुआ?
सूरज ने आकर जला दिया।
Formation is an important phase in the life of every religious. It starts from the time a candidate enters the congregation and continues till her death. The formees are introduced into a life of prayer, given the knowledge of the institute and its mission, introduced to community living, and are helped to arrive at a clarity to answer God's call. They are helped to know themselves and develop their potentialities and acquire communicative and leadership skills.
मैं तेरा भेड़ हूँ, तू मेरा मार्ग है जिस पर मैं चलूँ, तू चलाए मैं चलूँ, तू चाहे मैं चाहूँ, तू चलाए मैं चलूँ, तू चाहे मैं चाहूँ, यीशु।
May Mary, Queen Mother of Bethany, Saint Therese, Patroness of the Missions, the Saints of Bethany, along with the Father Founder, and sisters in heaven, intercede for us that we may continue to be the channels of divine mercy to all those whom we come in contact with. Let Bethany grow, flower, and bear fruit in plenty